It's always 3 versus 1. Smisky and Sweaty, and only one Mafusan. What's your wish, Mafusan? Sana magkapatid na din ako. Will we let its wish come true? Let's wait and see. We want a sibling? We did something better. We will have 2 siblings. Jump, jump, jump. Who is the first one? Ta-da-da-da-da-da-da. Ta-da! Look! Do you like it? That's your sibling. And who is the other one? Wait for it. Ta-da! It's you and the doggy. Look. Are you happy? Ay! Don't fall down. Let's see the unboxing later. Okay, Sharky. Do you like meeting your new siblings? Let's introduce them. This is Chico, Whiskey, and Tabby. Welcome to the family. Whiskey, Sweaty, are you okay? Why? Because we are outnumbered now. QC based, Bulacan based.